Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing a swap that I'm in with Patricia over at Anchored in Crafts. I will be sure to link her channel down below. She has been doing some destashing and there were 2 items on her destash list that I was interested in. So I asked her if she would be interested in doing a swap and she agreed. Patricia was super fast. She sent my package out really quickly and I was a little bit behind. Today's video is going to be the package that I am sending her as well as the package that I have already received from her. We decided to do the $10 bubble mailer flat rates from the post office. This is the package that I'm going to be shipping out to her. Let's take a look at what I'm sending her way. I have added a bunch of different sized doilies in this package. These are all from my stash. I'm sharing these foil stickers as well as these foil stickers from the Sparkle & Co. These policy envelopes in purple, a pen, this fun tube of sequin mix. This is a 6x12 sticker sheet from Teresa Collins. I'm sending her these 2 glass bottles. One has colored stars and one has white stars. This baggie has items that I shipped out to my Happy Mail friends. We have some buttons, some bling, some puffy hearts, some googly eyes, bow clip, paper clips, little heart envelopes, and wood mushrooms. This set of wooden spoons that she could use in her Happy Mail or for her sequin mixes. These set of metal alphas. These bling alphas. This glass bottle of a mix of my dewdrops. This new sticker book. These are some alpha stickers. I may have to fold these. I don't want to fold them, but I don't know if I can get them in this mailer without bending them with the other items in it. We'll see, but I have a whole variety of those. Then I have this crepe paper sticker sheet as well as these butterflies. In this bag, I'm sharing some tie-dyed fabric, a stencil, a stamp set, some goodie bags, a set of tags, another stamp set, some raw chipboard, 2 mini notebooks, some 6x6 paper, and this paper pad from the dollar store. In this sleeve, I'm not going to go through all of these, but this is a huge stack of planner stickers, all different types from a bunch of my planner books. Hopefully she will be able to use some of these in her planners. And Patricia, if there's anything that you don't like, please feel free to pass it along to someone else. I wouldn't want anything in your stash that you aren't happy with. This is one of my junk journaling kits. I did ask her about junk journaling and she said yes. So I decided to send her one of the kits that I used to have on Etsy and I will be at some point putting up new ones. We have pattern, a vintage bingo card, other big cards. These are some sheets of different types of papers. I just have it wrapped in this large ledger sheet, and in this envelope I've included some little cards, some of these Tim Holtz bingo chips, one of these old vintage label things, a hard card, coin one, and a variety of old types of papers, other styles of bingo, some old cutouts, a postcard, some old-fashioned sleeves, Mendex cards, old receipts, some big cards, some old playing cards, old maid cards, some old time cards, and some vintage wallpaper. And that is the Happy Mail package that I am sending out to Patricia over at Anchored in Crafts. Let's go ahead and go right into the package that Patricia sent to me. I'm back with the package that Patricia from Anchored in Crafts sent to me. What I originally requested from her was Amy Tangerine Project Life kit and I believe some Amy Tan washi tape. Let's dig right in. I'm so super excited. The only thing that I've done so far is I've sliced the top of the envelope open. It's packed full. We'll just start digging the stuff out. Patricia sent me this really sweet note. Thank you so much, Patricia, for swap with me. I'm so grateful that you were interested. I did take everything out of the packaging so we wouldn't hear a bunch of noise. Let's dig into this amazing swap. The first thing are these floral garden. These look like die cuts with a whole lot of beautiful butterflies in them. I recall someone, I believe, posted about these maybe coming up in the the dollar store. I've never seen them. These are awesome to add into my stash. I will break them down and put them in the appropriate spots. These large ones are great for decorating Happy Mail packages with. Thank you so much for those. I don't have any of these. Next we have these super cool giant playing cards. These are awesome. Let me see what size they are. They are 6 3/4 by about 4.5. These are so fun for junk journals. I actually have a couple of sets of large ones as well. They are different than these, which is so fun. These are great for junk journaling. I love these so much. I love how big they are. This is one of the items that I originally was interested in. Let me pull all these out. This is the Project Light core kit for Amy Tangerine, and I have a couple of her paper collections. This is a great way to add ephemera and other ways to create with the papers that I already have. These are super fun designs, and I already recognize some of these from actual ephemera that I already have, and she sent lots and lots of cards of each. I will be splitting these up and I will be sharing them with my crafty friends for sure. There's a whole large selection of these and I cannot wait. I'm gonna flip through all of these off camera and sort and get them organized and into my collection. She also sent over We Are Memory Keepers. It's their version of Project Life cards. Hello Life is the name of the collection. And then these little occasions tags, and these are fun for journaling and adding to projects. There's a lot of sports ones in here as well, which I love. And then we have some Smash booklets. These are always fun for adding to journals, and I have a ton of Smash books. That's what I use when I journal while I'm traveling. I think I have this one, but I don't know if I have the entertainment one. Thank you for those. These really cool flowers, they're fabric. They will be great for decorating Happy Mail. She sent a selection of washi tape. I pretty much know all the washi tape that I own. I don't think I have any of these. This blue one actually matches these tag set right here. Very cool. This was one of the items that I requested. It is the Amy Tan sticker roll. Look at these fruits. So cute. These big round stickers. I love this. We have this bag of goodies. Here we have some phrase cards. I've never seen a book like this. It's very cool. There's some travel ones. This is neat. I like that. We have felt flowers. Those are nice. Some, it looks like maybe some rub-ons and some sport rub-ons as well. These are gift tags. So they already have the 2 in the front on them. Oh, stick-on gift bags. Let's see. Oh, these are cool. These are just big, like, labels. That's fun. And then we have them that say, take a look at fabulous you, happy birthday to you, magic potions on your birthday. And then we have this rub-on quote stack, and that one is love. This one is friendship. I like using rub-ons. And then it looks like she has shared some 6x6 papers. These are fun. Very cute. And some Bo Bunny ones. This is fall. This is a very pretty collection. And some more 6x6s. This looks like, let's see. This is like color your own here. That's cute. Donuts and flowers. We have a couple of these. I don't know what collections these are from. They're really pretty, and I will go through and keep the ones that I will definitely use. Very cool. That is my swap from Patricia. Lots of amazing goodies and craft items in here. It's so fun to swap with people. You get to share your craft supplies and pass along either extras or things that you maybe don't craft with anymore. Patricia, thank you so much for swapping with me. I love everything. I can't wait to sort it, organize it, and get it worked into my stash. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.